Hi guys, this is Zagros. In this video, I wanna explain about Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, and Tron. Please start now subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. What is Litecoin? Litecoin is a cryptocurrency that was founded in 2011, 2 years after Bitcoin, by a former Google engineer named Charlie Lee. Measured by market capitalization, Litecoin is the 9th largest cryptocurrency. Initially, it was a strong competitor to Bitcoin. However, as the cryptocurrency market has become more saturated in recent years with new offerings, Litecoin's popularity has waned. Understanding Litecoin, like other decentralized cryptocurrencies, Litecoin is not issued by a government, which historically has been the only entity that society trusts to issue money, instead of being regulated by a central bank and coming off the press at the Bureau of Central Bank and so on. Litecoins are created by elaborate cryptocurrency produced procedure called mining, which consists of processing a list of Litecoin transactions. Goals of Litecoin, like all virtual currency, is a form of digital money. Both individual and institution can use Litecoin to purchase. Participants can make transactions with Litecoin without the use of intermediary, like a bank, credit card company, or payment processing service. Certain conditions are met. Ethereum Classic. What is the Ethereum Classic? It is an open source, decentralized, blockchain-based, distributed cryptocurrency platform that runs smart contracts. Ethereum Classic was formed as a result of the hack of the network in 2016. The original Ethereum blockchain was split into, with Ethereum Classic being in the original and Ethereum being newer blockchain. Based on the principle of the Guid's law, smart contracts are self-executing autonomous digital applications which are capable of running on their own programs, which are capable of running on their own as a program. Example of such as applications include system, automatic teller machines, ATM, and the Bitcoin system. Understanding Ethereum Classic facilitates running smart contracts by offering the benefits of decentralized governance. In other words, the contract can be enforced without third party involved, such as lawyer. Smart contracts are similar to if-then statement, meaning if the actions required within the contract have been fulfilled, then the respond contract parameters have not been fulfilled, then there might be penalty, a fee, or the contract might be voided depending on the terms established at the onset of the contract. What is the Tron? Tron is an advanced blockchain platform that is built decentralized and democratize the content distribution industry through an arsenal of permissionless tools, platform, and protocols. As a smart contract capable blockchain, Tron allows developers to build and deploy highly capable decentralized applications that can be designed for particularly and purpose, including online games, decentralized exchanges, yield farms, open lending platforms, and more. How does Tron work? Tron is similar to EOS in the users on the network need to access resources in order to transact with smart contracts. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed the video and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.